At ZORIDA, we feel passionately about sharing knowledge. Everyone should be able to add value to their data by executing a few easy steps in Excel. We have created a simple ZORIDA data set about animals and countries to show how the data can be combined and reported on using Excel functionality like XLOOKUPs, pivot tables, and Power Queries. We discuss how data checks can be designed and run to meet the data governance standards. The same mechanism can also be used for large data sets. We use a Miro board to organize and map out the knowledge sharing. This assists with logical groupings like basic principles or data model and how the data insights interrelate. Each data insight rectangle hyperlinks either to a card or to a video reflecting more information on that subject. How do I determine the correct data? You can also download the dataset and insights file to confirm these learnings and play with the data yourself. The Data Insight videos are available in the ZORIDA channel in YouTube. Finally, for a quick summary of data insights, feel free to have a look at the ZORIDA slideshow where your speed reading abilities can be put to the test. We can be reached via zorida.com.au if you have any questions or requests for assistance.